Opposition India Bloc on June 8th decided to demand the immediate resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan over the NEET-CBSE controversy and also resolved to write to the Chief Justice of India regarding the special intensive revision process of electoral rules alleging vote loot and election manipulation. The decisions were taken at a meeting of 22 opposition parties and Independent MP Kapil Sibal at the Constitution Club in New Delhi, which lasted over 2.5 hours and focused on unity ahead of the 2029 Lok Sabha elections and upcoming assembly polls. The India Bloc also agreed to raise issues such as unemployment, price rise and alleged atrocities against marginalized communities and to seek an all-party meeting on these concerns as well as the country's economic situation. It decided to meet every 2 months with the next meeting scheduled in Hyderabad in August and to coordinate daily during the Monsoon Session of Parliament. The meeting saw internal differences with Communist Party of India leader John Brittas and CPI leader D. Raja raising concerns over Congress remarks during the Kerala elections, while TMC chief Mamta Banerjee highlighted alleged political targeting in West Bengal. The DMK did not attend the meeting and the Aam Aadmi Party has distanced itself from the alliance. Leaders including Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav, Tejasvi Yadav, Omar Abdullah, Mehbooba Mufti, Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray virtually and JMM leader Hemant Soren virtually attended the meeting. Separately, the DMK announced that it is no longer part of the India Bloc, citing differences with Congress, though it said a future strong secular anti-BJP alliance may still emerge and that it will function independently through its organizational structure. DMK leader TKS Ilangovan said the party decided to function separately after some former allies joined the TVK-led government in Tamil Nadu. CPI leaders urged the DMK to remain in the bloc. Tensions also surfaced as CPI leader John Brittas objected to Congress remarks during the Kerala polls. Meanwhile, Akhilesh Yadav called for support to stronger regional parties. Tejasvi Yadav urged a grassroots campaign for 2029. Omar Abdullah called the Congress the glue of the alliance, and Rahul Gandhi assured efforts to maintain unity within the bloc. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.